Hi everyone, this is Danny for Cupcakes Gourmet and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you've never been here. Today we're gonna make this really cute kawaii bunny. Everybody was asking me for the kawaii style, so I'm gonna start with you guys. But before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button, since I don't have a really date and I upload videos, so you can get a notification. All my social media is up there, and if you're looking for a video that you can find, just go to my list of videos and you can find them in Portuguese and English, old ones, new ones, and all that jazz down there. So we're gonna start with our bunny with white clay. You can use their dry clay, you can use cold porcelain, you can use fondant, you can use gum paste, you can use Play-Doh, whatever material you want to use. Just make a little tiny teardrop shape, and we're gonna fold to start making the back legs. My tutorials are good for any type of material. Just adapt, you know, if you're using all edible, adapt all your materials and so on and so forth. And now we're gonna make the other leg. Today I'm using that air dry clay, the lightweight one. It's very soft and very good to make, and really perfect for candles or cake toppers because they are not heavy at all. So that's what I'm making. We make a really long teardrop shape, and we bend the front part to start making the legs. And now I'm gonna put next to each other and cut the excess so they look exactly the same size. Now we're going to start making a ball for the face. It's kind of like an oval ball. And now we're gonna flatten out a little tiny bit, just like that. And make one of the bottom a little bit flat. So that's gonna be where the neck is. Just be sure that everything is smooth. I always roll down on my table, just, you know, to make a very rounded and perfect top. And now we're gonna set aside. I'm making a little ball and a little tiny drop shape, a little longer this time, and I will keep like that for the top of the front little arms. And now with the white again, we're gonna make a little ball, and we're gonna make very long and skinny, and we're gonna flatten out for the ears. And I'm setting everything aside so it dries a little bit, so it's easier for you to move around. Since this clay is very soft and lightweight, you don't want to keep playing around too much to don't make mark. And we're gonna make it that other ear too. Now with the pink, we're gonna make a little tiny teardrop and another little tiny teardrop to start making the bow. If you want to use silicone mold for that, please go right ahead. I use silicone for little things like that, or sometimes when we need to make too much of the same thing, you don't need to feel bad to use the mold. The mold's here to help you, and the tools are here to help you, so go for it. But I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. I made two little teardrop shapes, and I cut it a little bit on the sides so we can stuck them together with a little ball in the center. So now I have the two sides, and we're gonna stuck them together with a little bit of more of the clay. Just cutting the sides so they're flat. Like when I do the ears, I do it too, because I think they get together a little prettier. And now we're gonna make a little ball to put in the center of our bowl. And you can change colors. You can make pink, blue. You can make this little bunny to be a keychain, to be a candle, to be anything. You can make a bunch of keychains and give for your kids, classmates. You can make for your friend and work. You can make for teachers, and it's handmade, it's with love, and they're gonna really appreciate it. So now I'm just marking a little lines just to make it look even a little cuter and a little bit more ribbon bowish kind of thing. So now we have that, and we're gonna set aside. I'm making a ball with pink and a teardrop shape for the body. You can make a stole and as big as you want your bunny to be, but since I'm gonna make a keychain, I think with this bunny I'm gonna keep it very tiny and little. And that's why I kind of use this clay, because if it's a keychain, you don't want your heavy, you know, keychain to be extra on your keys for you to carry around. So this clay is perfect for that. I'm using a little toothpick. I cut a little bit at the top, and I'm using a little toothpick and glue to start putting the bunny together. Now we're gonna place the face. And we're gonna place the arms. If you think you need a little bit glue, just put a little bit of glue. If you're using fondant or gum paste, you can use a little bit of water. And we're just gonna get our bunny together. And now I'm getting the two legs and I'm squishing them a little on the top together because I'm gonna make my bunny sit on the squished part. So it's gonna be very tight on the bunny, and I know that it's gonna look like it's coming from him since he's sitting down. And I'm gonna place the body right there with a little bit of glue. And now I'm gonna put the little bow on the face. And we're gonna glue the ears. And something that I remember that just realized and I didn't do, you know, the little pom-pom tail that the bunnies have. I didn't make it. I don't know why. That picture was a picture that my little girl sent it to me. Like, she showed it to me. She wanted me to make the bunny for her. She wants to make little keychains for her friends. And I was looking at the picture. Don't even know if it's somebody's work. So if it is, please let me know. I will totally put it, you know, down below. But I was just copying the picture and I didn't think about the tail. But if you're making a keychain or bun, like anything, just don't forget the little bow for the tail. Now I'm placing the little circles in black for the eyes, and actually I'm using the circles that I use for the miraculous ladybug. I'm just switching because I made a bunch, so I'm using for that. And now I'm making the tiniest triangle I can and pink for the nose. Like, you keep cutting it the shape of the triangle until you can't cut it anymore. It can be like really, really tiny. And we're gonna place right there in the middle of the face. And again, don't forget the little tail. You just make a ball, squish a little bit, put in a tail because it's gonna look cuter. I actually gonna do that after, if I'm making, because I think I'm making like 25, 30 of this. And he's done. It's really cute, really easy to make. You can make a bunch of them. So please don't forget to subscribe and give me a little like on this video. Always helps me. And all the info, material, everything is gonna be on this show more. You just push that and it's gonna open and show you everything. And also leave me a comment because I'm gonna start giving shout outs on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.